When I walked outside, I saw this big white box on my porch, and I knew exactly what it was. Inside this white box, it's the coldest, newest luxury sneaker you've ever seen in your life. I want to go through the entire process with you, even opening up the white box, because I really want you to really understand what this is. The moment is here. It might not be widespread, it might not be known amongst everybody, but the moment is here. Check this, man. I'm gonna show you the whole process because y'all think I'm playing, man. Inside this box, I assure you, it's the coldest sneaker that you've ever did see. I've been doing art all my life. Anybody who knows me knows I'm an artist. When you get this shoe, Don right there, you're gonna see that right there. Man, this is a luxury experience. Okay, if you go to Nike, you go to Reebok, you go to whoever, you ain't gonna get all this. When you buy this shoe from the website, it's gonna get made on the spot. And the minute I open up the wrapper, let me show you what I saw so you can understand how big this is. Check this out. Let me get this right. When you buy this shoe from the website, aliveshoes.com/brand/LickTheDawn, you're not buying a shoe necessarily. You're buying an experience. You're buying a legacy. This is real, man. Like, when they say blood, sweat, and tears, bro, that's what this is, man. This is 30 plus years of innovation, 30 plus years of experience in a box. And I'm just sharing it with you. Check it. Oh, okay. Let me slow it down just a tad bit. Just kind of give you a little look at the entire box. There it is. Made in Italy. Now, I will be upfront with you because we family. I'm gonna go ahead and get ahead of the haters right now. It took a long time for this shoe to get here. Look at this. This is what you're gonna get. It's gonna say made in Italy. It's just so intricate. It's so intricate. That's what it was. It took them time to get it right because I've really challenged my creators, my manufacturers. That's what really happened. I want you to understand that you're not just getting something that's made in China, because this bad boy is not that. This is not that. The shoe comes in. For those who don't know, this is the Don 1 Phantom. It's here, y'all. There you go. There it is. That's the Don 1 Phantom right there. That's the one that you need to get. When I designed these, I wanted this black on black look. Now, when you buy these, expect to pay $239. Free shipping. Ships from Italy. And unfortunately, it does take a while to get there because it has to be made. All right. Because I'm not a big shoe designer, I don't have just a stockpile of these. We make these upon each order, and that's what takes some time, all right? But they will arrive, and when they arrive, you will have what you asked for. What you think about these? Now, obviously, I'm biased. Do you think I'm on to something? Do you think I'm off? What would you wear with these? You got a fit in mind? Sheesh. There they go, y'all. The Don 1 Phantoms. Out now. Whew. Man. And when you look inside, made in Italy. Man, these is tough, man. Yeah, these tough. Man, I made them. This is like, man, this is the culmination of just years of practice. Drawing shoes when I'm in middle school, having a whole book full of little shoe drawings. And at the time, I don't really know why I'm doing all these shoe drawings, but it's funny how God works, right? He was preparing me for this very moment. Hundreds of shoe designs. Just drawn in my pad. Just to make this shoe right here. And I am so happy with my manufacturer because they did such an amazing job with the detail. Trust me, I try to throw him a curveball. I want to throw him off. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna create something that y'all ain't never seen before, and I think I did it, y'all. I think I did it. I think I did it. Let's talk about it, man. I think I did it. Leather, genuine Italian leather. You know what that also means? That means that this shoe is going to stand the test of time. The shoe is going to look this good for a very, very long time. All right, this shoe is kind of heavy because it's quality material. All right, this is not made in China, and that's no disrespect to China, but this is not that. This is quality leather and design. Beautiful. Excellent job by my manufacturer by really communicating or getting my idea right. Yeah, right. Every part of the shoe is intentional, necessary. Let's talk about the design real quick. You got the logo here. It has the Don Don script on it. You got the black leather croc skin. All right, nice gloss on it. All right, this ain't that foo-foo. And even the white on the shoe is leather, Italian leather. So we're talking about a full leather shoe. That's why the price is $239. Okay. And it smells amazing. All right, so here's what happens. When you go to liveshoes.com/brand/Rick the Don, when you do that, you have an option to pick up one of or any of the 5 different designs for the Don Don 1. Same thing for my clothing brand. We make them upon each order. And that's what will take this shoe a little longer to get to you. But, you know, good things come to those who wait. It might take between 10 and 20 days to get to you. But when it gets to you, you'll have it. There it is, y'all. The Don Don 1 Phantom. Go tell somebody, let them know. It's designed by me. Man, this is like holding up a championship trophy, you know, a life trophy. You know, it's been a long time getting to this point. And this is my championship right here. We all do something to achieve greatness. And this is my championship trophy right here. This is not giving up. This is me just sticking with it. All right. It's been good. Peace.
In the shadows of the theater, where beauty met obsession, a phantom wore no face, only purpose. He moved unseen, driven, determined, dangerous, like me. Born from grind, shaped by vision. Every stitch a battle, every line a legacy. Not just a shoe, a statement. Where street meets stage, where art wears concrete. I am the phantom. I don't need to be seen, I will be felt.